What's up guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be super quick because it's my summer makeup routine. So my routine is very short because I don't have full time to put makeup on, and with kids I don't have like hours and hours to do my makeup, and I want something super quick, super easy and sweat proof because it's hot outside. Seriously, this summer it's freaking hot, but I'm super happy about it. I do a lot of pool right now, and yeah, that's good. So before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to put the thumbs up if you like this type of video. Also follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and not so much Snapchat. So without further ado, let's jump into this. So just because I don't have a lot on my eyes, I start with my face, not like usual, because when I play with dark or bright eyeshadow, I do my eyeshadow first. So for my primer, I use the No Problem primer from Touch and Soul. This stuff, it's so freaking good. I love this primer. After that, I use my Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer just to put right here, because when I'm outside I love to put my sunglasses on and I don't want to have like the mark here, because with that my foundation stay there a little bit longer. And I just put the excess on my lids quickly. For my foundation, this is my newest favorite foundation, and it's the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir one, and mine is in the shade 605. So I'm gonna take this with my Real Technique sponge. I just have this because I was in my family and this was my routine when I was on vacation. So I take my Elixir Pro-Conceal in the shade Porcelain, and this, I put this under my eyes because, like I said in every video, I have mom dark circles. So they are blue, they are there, they are not cute at all, and I highlight my face like usual. And for bronzing my skin, I take the same concealer but in the shade Medium Bisque, and I contour my nose with this and my chin, and I love this stuff so much. I was so afraid to contour with cream, but for summer it's just perfect. And right now it's look a little bit scary. I know. I'm always scared when it looks like this because I'm just saying, like, if it doesn't blend it's gonna be so bad. But it's blends. So I start always with the lighter shade, so under my eyes, and I finish with the contour because you don't want contour color under your eyes. So I blend my contour up, and this you have to blend to your hairline because you don't want a line between your hair and the contour, mostly when you have a ponytail or something like this. And now I just blend my nose. So after that I'm gonna set everything up with my Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Fair Light. I'm gonna set my eyes first. And I love also this concealer because it's not creasing super quickly, so you have time to blend everything up and put your powder after, and it's not gonna crease. I put a lot of my nose because of my sunglasses. Right now I know it's a little bit funny. I put on my forehead, on my chin, and right down my contour because I just want to sharp everything up. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows super quick with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in the shade Dark Brunette. And now I put my gel on my brows. So after that I received this in my Ipsy bag long time ago. This is the Cella Ivory Lace eyeliner. I put this just right here. So now it's time to take off that bake. So for my bronzer, I take my trusty and goody butter bronzer from Physician Formula, and I just put this over my cream bronzer, some under my chin and my neck, just a little bit on my nose. And because I'm right here, I take the same brush. I know it's big, but that is what I do for my crease, and I just put this on my crease. You can take a smaller brush, but when I go in vacation, I don't want to bring a lot of things. So for blush, I take also one of the best, the Milani Luminoso. I take the same brush and I just put this, and I love to put this right here on the side of my nose and a little bit on my nose because it's look a little bit like a sunburn. So if you are outside, it's gonna be a little bit more natural. So for the rest of my eyes, I love to put this highlight from ColourPop. This is in the shade Spoon, and this gives your lids like a glossy lids are super, oh, it's so beautiful. So I just take this with my fingers. So that's for my eyes. I forgot to put mascara on, so I just gonna curl my lashes. Then I'm gonna put the last Sensational from Maybelline. So I'm not gonna put mascara on my lower lashes because if I sweat, they're gonna transfer everywhere on my face, and I don't want that. For my highlight, I'm gonna put the Marylou Manizer from the Balm. I'm gonna put some under my eyebrows, on the nose, my Cupid's bow. Also, I'm gonna put some on my inner corner. And this step is so optional. I'm gonna put falsies on. So this is very like if I have time. So someday I'm gonna put falsie on, someday it's gonna just be like this. But because I have so tiny lashes, I love to put falsie. So right now we are on the lips. So if you have like a more shorter time to prepare myself, I will put a nude on. But if I want to look like I put so much time on my makeup, I will put bold lips on. So I'm gonna put Rio on my lips from Anastasia. But before I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm gonna put my liquid lips on. And for finish, I will put a setting spray on to keep that makeup all day long. And this is the L'Oreal one. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I know it was a short one, but this makeup is so short to do. And I love doing this makeup on summer because I don't feel the makeup on my face. And if you are not comfortable with the bold lips like this, because this lips, it's pink, it's Barbie pink, and I know, just put a nude on or just a gloss, also a chapstick or a gloss. It's gonna be super pretty with this look, because for real, when I have really no time, I don't put falsie on and I don't put a bold lip like this. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video and I will see you soon.